It's English time! Hello guys, this is teacher Gabriela Andrade and today I'm going to teach you how to use our new digital platform, okay? I will share my screen with you so you can see everything that I'm doing, all right? Let's start. The first thing you have to do is open your browser, okay? You can use Google, you can use Microsoft Edge, you can use Internet Explorer, you can use Mozilla, you choose your browser, okay? So you're going to open your browser and you're going to type in here, you're going to type in aluno.international school.global, okay? Press enter. And this is what you are going to see. You're going to go to this page, just a little bit. This is what you're going to see. Do you remember that teacher Gabi gave you a login and a password, and you wrote it in the first page of your book? Remember that? So I'm going to show you. If you don't remember, I have them written down here. Look. Here, these are your logins and your passwords. So each student have a login and a password. And the login, look, it's 3 letters and 3 numbers. 3 letras minúsculas e 3 números, okay? This is your login. And the password to our class is terceiro ano A. Tudo junto com letra minúscula, okay? Everything in small letters and no spaces. It's the same password for all the class. So going back to that page, I'm going to use a login for test, okay? Let's see what's my login. Oh. Teacher Gabi's login is Teacher Gabi X SF637. So, ó, XSF637. This is my login. Remember the password. Let's go back to the password. Terceiro ano A. So you're going to write here. Terceiro ano A. After you do this, you click li e concordo com os termos da política de privacidade. Login. It takes a little bit to load, so you have to wait a little bit, okay? So let's wait. It's thinking. And this is what you're going to see, okay? After you log in, this is what you're going to see. Explorer, new Explorer, this is your course, your English course. You click here. And then it's going to show your the units of your books. So unit 5, 6, and 7. I'm going to click on unit 5 first. We finished unit 5 in class. Okay, so you can do all the activities from unit 5. Lesson 81. Click on the first lesson. So the first thing you have to do is you have to come here near your name. Here is Teacher Gabi. So you're going to click here. Oh, Teacher Gabi. Click here. English. Okay, you're going to go to English. Why, teacher? Well, this is our English class, right? So put it in English so you can practice. And then we have all the activities from a lesson. Let's do this lesson together. So this is lesson 81. Answer the question with your own opinions. Don't worry, there isn't just one correct answer. In your opinion, what is an artist? A very creative person. Okay, next questions. You click here and you go to the next question. Are all artists famous people or celebrities? True or false? I think it's false. Next question. Are you an artist? Yes. Finish. Okay. Then you go to the next activity. 8 different art forms in the word search. Let's see. Drawing, literature, theater, painting, sculpture, dance. What else? Photography, music. We found all the words. And now it's a personality quiz. So which activity do you like doing? Singing. So you are musical. All right, you can retake the quiz. Telling stories. So you are literary, okay? And then you click finish activity. When you finish all the activities from a lesson, you click finish activity. And look what's gonna happen. Okay, look, the lesson is now gray because you completed the activity. Toda vez que você completar uma atividade e clicar lá em finalizar a atividade, finish activity, the lesson will become gray. So, done. You don't need to worry about it, okay? Let's try a different lesson now. So, I'm going to go to Unit 6 and I'm going to choose lesson 101. Your self-portrait. Draw your self-portrait on the space below. Include as much details as possible. Start drawing. So here, this activity is for you to draw. Let's suppose I'm going to draw this in a happy face. Okay, I'm not good with drawings, but all right. Pretend I finished. Then you click here, exit, save and exit. Look, there are other activities, but I'm not going to finish now. Tem outras atividades, mas eu não quero terminar agora. There are other activities, but I'm not going to finish now. So you click here, save progress, save and exit. So when you do this, you save everything you did in the activity. And then, look what happens. Aí olha o que acontece quando você clicar em salvar o progresso. The lesson goes here. A atividade vem para cá, para você poder saber que você tem que terminar essa atividade. So you know you have to finish this lesson. If you click here, you can continue from where you stopped, okay? And then after you complete everything, finish activity, all right? Okay, completed. Okay, get the difference? So if you click finish activity, you complete the activity. It's great, you're done. Então, se você clicar no finalizar atividade, está completa. Você não precisa fazer mais nada dela. Ela vai salvar e vai ficar cinza. So if you complete everything, make it gray. Now, if you click save progress, then it means you have to continue the activity, ok? Então, se você clicar no salvar progresso, é porque você ainda não acabou aquela atividade e precisa terminar, alright? Okay, so guys, this is everything you have to know about our platform. I hope you liked this video and bye! See you next class.